Every family has that place where traditions are handed down, where time takes a break, and everyone pitches in. Where the food on the table is as important as the family around it, including the furriest family members. That's why 4health pet food is made with premium ingredients. Real meat like salmon, beef, and chicken is #1, complemented by real whole vegetables. And there's never any corn, soy, or wheat, so you know your pets are getting the same wholesome nutrition as the rest of your family with every meal. It's a tradition we uphold with every 4health product. Find 4health products at Tractor Supply Company or visit 4healthpetfood.com.